Hey everyone, get ready for a super simple, incredibly delicious meal perfect for any night. We're making Cowboy spaghetti, a hearty dish that'll have everyone asking for seconds. It's comfort food at its best. Grab a pound of ground beef or turkey, an onion, and a bell pepper. You'll also need a can of diced tomatoes, some tomato sauce, and a packet of taco seasoning. Don't forget your favorite spaghetti. First, brown your ground meat in a large skillet. Drain any excess fat, then toss in your chopped onion and bell pepper. Cook until they're nice and soft, about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and that amazing taco seasoning. Let it simmer gently while your spaghetti cooks according to package directions. This sauce is packed with flavor. Once your pasta is al dente, drain it and add it directly to your skillet with the meat sauce. Give everything a good stir to combine. Make sure every strand is coated in that deliciousness. And there you have it, a fantastic family-friendly Cowboy spaghetti ready in no time. Top it with a little shredded cheese or fresh cilantro if you like. It's so satisfying and incredibly easy to make. Enjoy!